As you grow older, do you ever feel like you're losing yourself? Sudden weight gain, anxiety, hot flashes, and any of more than 100 other symptoms are signs that you've crossed into the next phase of your life, the menopausal transition. You've likely heard women tell horror stories about their awful experiences with menopause, but that doesn't have to be your journey. We at Winona asked ourselves what we could do to ensure fewer women had horror stories of their own. With Winona, 80% of our patients experience complete relief from menopause symptoms in just 90 days. Winona was founded by certified OBGYNs, whose expertise comes not only from their extensive research, but also from their own personal experience with menopause. Having researched and analyzed hormonal imbalance, our OBGYNs recognized the need for a holistic approach and identified the comprehensive benefits of hormone optimization. With Winona's bioidentical hormones, you have the option to safely start or stop treatment at any time without adverse side effects. When you're ready, a doctor can prescribe the best treatment for you, and you'll receive it in a matter of days. Shipping is on us.
I came across Winona on Instagram talking about perimenopause, so I immediately signed up, immediately started feeling better.
All women struggling with menopause symptoms should be using Winona.
I have much longer, deeper sleep.
Now life with menopause is possible for me. This has been a game changer for me. You have to check out Winona.
It's changed my life, and I really appreciate Winona for what they've done for me.
The menopausal transition is a normal chapter of a woman's life, so there's no reason why anyone should have to suffer through it. Join thousands of women today who are living healthier and happier lives thanks to Winona.